Good morning children, welcome to the online classes for the academic year 2021 to 2022. So today we discuss one grammar topic, okay, that is here punctuation. In punctuation, apostrophe. Punctuation. So apostrophe. So here apostrophe, where we can use apostrophe in two cases, okay. So that first case is here in the case of possessives, okay. Yes. So second case is in the case of contractions. Yes, in the case of possessives, in the case of contractions, we use this apostrophe, okay, apostrophe. Yes, for example, it is somebody's pen, okay. So how it is used here? As a possessive, okay. Yes, so somebody's pen means, so I possess that somebody possesses that pen, okay. So it's the possessiveness, okay. So in the case of possessives, we use this contractions here we use this apostrophe. Yes, so here see, apostrophe we have used, okay. So if it is somebody's pen, yes, it is Raghu's bag. So here this is also apostrophe as here also we use, so to show that it is the bag of Raghu. So it is Raghu's bag, possessiveness, okay. Yes, so in the case of possessives we use apostrophe, yes, okay. Yes. And next, just here see. So possessives already we have discussed, and now let us see contractions. Okay, so contractions, for example, do plus not, don't. Okay, this is contraction. If we add negative to do, so it becomes don't. Okay, so it becomes don't. For example, does plus not becomes doesn't. Yes, doesn't. Okay. Yes. So if it is did plus not, didn't becomes didn't. Okay. Yes. For example, I didn't meet him. Yes. So when we write contraction here, when we add not with did here, so it becomes didn't. So apostrophe must be used here. Okay. Understand that? Yes. For example, you can see, I have not got it. So this is negative. Okay, this is negative. Negative. So how it becomes here? I haven't got it. This is negative. Okay. So here this is a contraction. Okay. Have not becomes haven't. Okay. Yes, it is a contraction. Contraction. But in the case of positive here, for example, not is not there. Okay, so then how we can change the positive? Okay, for example, I have seen him. Seen him is positive. This is positive. I have seen him. I have seen him. Okay, it is not I have not seen him. I have seen him. It is positive. How we can change this one as a short form, the contraction? So it becomes I V. Okay, I have seen him. This is also positive. Okay, here contraction. Yes. So here's a contraction. So I have. Okay. So here we should use apostrophe. Okay. Yes. So that is very important to note this point. Okay. So here if it is a negative, so have plus not have been it becomes. Okay. If it is a positive here, so negative that apostrophe must be used after I. Okay, after subject. Okay. For example, sometimes we say I would meet him here. So this is also positive. How you can make it contraction here? I D only. Okay. Yes. So for wood here, for the entire word wood, you can only use D. Okay. So I would meet him. So sometimes this D also comes for had. Then how can you identify that? Yes, how can you determine that whether it is wood or had? Okay. For example, if it is a wood here, after D we should use verb 1, base form of the verb. If it is a had here, we have to write verb 3. Okay. Past perfect tense. We have to use past perfect tense, and in the past perfect tense, the past participle must be used. So that's why verb 3 should come here. For example, I dash met him. So here this is the contraction for would or had. Please tell me, children. Here this is the contraction for had, not would here. Okay. Why? Because after this D we have used not meet, met we have used. Okay. Met means this is the third form of the verb. So that's why it is I had met. Okay. It is not I would met. Okay. If you write would here, verb 1 must be used. So if there is any verb 3, so it must be pronounced as had, not would. Okay. Yes. In that way, we have to identify whether it is whether that D indicates would or had. Okay. Yes. For example, I am a doctor. Yes. So what is the short form? A doctor. Yes. So this is the contraction. Okay. So here we have to use apostrophe. Okay. Yes. So here now in possessives there is one more thing here. For example, it is now see children here in the case of possessives. Okay, it is my father's umbrella. So fathers. Okay. So here after father we are using yes. So it is a singular. So father is that noun is a singular. When the noun is a singular, we should use yes here before. Yes, apostrophe is used just before yes. Okay. Yeah. For example, if the noun is plural, how we can use the apostrophe? For example, we are celebrating Teachers Day. Okay. Yes. So here this noun is plural, teachers. So apostrophe as must be used at the end of the yes. Okay. At the end of the word here. Okay. So here, if there is already s here, apostrophe must be used after that. If there is no s here at the end of this word, we should use apostrophe before s. So that is the difference between using apostrophe here as before noun, before singular, and if it is a plural, it is after singular. Okay. Yes, after plural. For example, boys hostel. Okay, so boys, it is plural, already s is there. So where you should use apostrophe? After yes. Okay, yes. So after yes, we should use apostrophe. Boys hostel. Okay, yes. Girls girls discipline. Okay, so girls discipline. So it's a plural. Since it is plural, we should use after s. That apostrophe must be used after s. Okay. For example, if the noun is singular, how we can use here? For example, the house had. Yes. So here cow is singular here. Okay, one cow's had. Okay. Yes. So cows. So where we should use apostrophe? So after, not after, before yes. Okay. Yes. So if it is singular, we should use before yes. If it is a plural, after yes. For example, the house heads. Okay. Yes. Here we should use apostrophe yes. Understand that? Yes. So these are the rules regarding using apostrophe. When it is a possessive, there are two here, singular and plural. Okay. Yes. When it is contractions here, negative and positive. Yes. So basing on all this, we have to use apostrophe. Thank you very much for listening, and we will meet in next class with some other topics. Thank you very much.